Once again, my name is YòRÀBÁ, and it's a shame that millions of Nigerians still believe that there's still a country called Nigeria. Nigeria is not a country, and it is time that we understand that now before it is too late. Nigeria has literally done more damage in our lives for the last 62 years. Let us think about it. Who are Nigerians and what is a Nigeria? For what purpose was Nigeria created? There was a slave trade that took place for 1,000 years by the British Empire. And after destroying all that, they decided to now merge the South and the East and the North together in 1914, known as the Amalgamation. But we have the right to decide whether we want to continue to be part of what was created. But that right will be something that myself and you will determine as 2023 is coming. Say no to 2023. It's all fraud. The constitution that has been in use, everybody knows is a fraud. And yet, nobody wants to say we should stop being known as Nigeria. My name is YòRàBÁ, as I continue to tell you all the time, Nigeria is a crime scene and it will never work.